Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Discord's invisible mode is a great way to stay online without being disturbed. But what if you need to know if someone is really offline or just appearing invisible? In today's video, I am going to show you a few ways you can check if someone is using invisible mode on Discord. These methods are simple, and while they are not foolproof, they can give you some insights. First, you need to pay attention to the user's recent activity. If you share a server with them, look for any recent messages or reactions. Even though they appear offline, they might still be interacting within the server. Check the timestamps of their last messages. If it's recent, they might be online. Another tactic is to check if they appear online in any mutual servers where they have not set their status to invisible. Sometimes, users forget to change their status in all servers, and this can be a giveaway. Next is try sending them a direct message. If they respond quickly, it's likely that they are online, even if their status shows offline. While this method isn't definitive, it can be a helpful indicator. Some third-party tools claim to detect invisible users. While I generally recommend avoiding this due to security risks and potential violations of Discord's term of service, it is something to be aware of if you are considering more advanced methods. And that is how you can check if someone is using invisible mode on Discord. Now, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.